Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this viewpoint. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And yeah, today the price did gap up very nicely, and for the most part it did a good job of kind of just consolidating, digesting those gains. I mean, you can see that the price, while it wasn't necessarily the most exciting thing, it did essentially just kind of, go back and forth and go sideways throughout the course of the day. But then the final 30 minutes happened, and right here is defining and outlining the final 30 minutes, where you can see volume kicked back in, and the seller showed back up in a big way, which is now turning this into a very interesting scenario heading into Friday. The first level to keep an eye on going into Friday is going to be this previous breakout point right here at $5.65. And this is just based on a rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. And it's sitting right around that area. Technically speaking, it's 5 cents below there. But the thing to remember with supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. There is range elements associated with it. So, to be fair, it's definitely within the range of 565. But that is certainly going to be the first level to see, if the price can maintain above it or not. If it doesn't, then I know that I'll be keeping a very close eye on this level on Friday. And that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area, right around $4.35, $4.40, right around there. Generally speaking, if there can be enough, panic and momentum to the downside, that could be another interesting area on the chart. And then the final portion to watch from a support side of things is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now valued at 405, but that is a moving average. So as Friday plays out, that line is going to move, and that value therefore is also going to move. So keep an overall eye on that. Now, in the event the price just all of a sudden snaps back around and turns back upwards, where are some of these levels of resistance at? Initial level of resistance on any sort of bounce to the upside, first level going to be right there at $6.60. If that can be broken, the next key overarching one right up there at right around 7.05. But as of right now, in my opinion, at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about seeing if this thing is going to consolidate and stabilize out, or if this final 30 minutes is the start of something bigger. But yeah, we'll see how this plays out on Friday. I know I'll be watching. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.